Alpensolar, a solar power breakthrough high in the Swiss Alps. High above the clouds in Switzerland, something truly impressive has been built, Alpensolar, a groundbreaking solar project that takes full advantage of the mountains. Completed just last year, this innovative system features a 1-kilometer stretch of 5,000 solar panels installed right on top of a hydroelectric dam. Together, they generate 2.2 megawatts of clean energy, enough to power around 700 homes. Worried about fog blocking sunlight? No problem here. The dam sits 2,500 meters above sea level, well above the fog line. Even better, snow-covered mountains surrounding the site reflect sunlight back onto the panels, boosting efficiency. In fact, solar farms at high altitudes can be up to 3 times more productive than those at lower levels. The entire system is built to withstand heavy snow loads, making it both rugged and reliable. And this is just the beginning. Switzerland plans to roll out over 4,000 solar projects by 2030. Alpensolar proves that clean energy doesn't just belong in sunny deserts, it thrives even on snowy mountaintops. Harman curtain wall, beauty and efficiency hanging on the edge. Let's talk about curtain walls, not the kind you find in your living room, but the kind that hang from the outside of skyscrapers and transform the way buildings are built. These structures are suspended from a building's frame rather than being load-bearing. The result? Less weight on the foundation, which means lower construction costs and greater design freedom. An American company called Harman is leading the charge with some truly amazing projects. One standout is the Hilton Cleveland Downtown Hotel, where over 18,500 square meters of curtain walls were installed. The sleek glass facade gives the hotel a modern, high-end look. Inside, guests enjoy luxury amenities like a rooftop bar, swimming pool, restaurants, and even pet-friendly rooms. Another impressive job was at the Westin Peachtree Plaza Hotel, which needed major repairs after being hit by a tornado. Harman stepped in and restored the exterior with precision, proving their systems are not just stylish, but resilient too. Whether it's new construction or rebuilding after a storm, Harman curtain walls combine strength, style, and smart engineering in one sleek package. Corium brick tile cladding system, the smarter, faster way to build with brick. Looking for the charm of real brick without the slow, heavy, and messy process of traditional masonry? The Corium brick tile cladding system might be just what you need. It's been trusted in the UK for over 20 years, and it's now gaining popularity worldwide, and for good reason. It can speed up construction by 5 to 6 times, saving both time and money. Here's how it works. Sturdy steel profiles are first installed on the wall. Then, clinker brick tiles are simply slotted into place, giving the structure the classic look of brick or stone, without the weight or complexity. If a tile gets damaged later, it's no problem, individual pieces can be easily replaced. There's even a lighter profile option for use on wooden frames, making it incredibly versatile. Tile sizes go up to 33 centimeters in length, 21.5 centimeters in width, and 32 millimeters in thickness, while standard profiles measure about 2.4 meters long. And if you need something custom, both the tiles and profiles can be made to order to match your specific design needs. Corium makes brick cladding smarter, faster, and easier, without sacrificing style. Next, slate stone post covers, turn plain posts into elegant stone columns. Want to give your outdoor space a classy, stone-finished look, without hiring a mason or lifting heavy materials? The Next slate stone 2-piece post covers offer a quick and stylish upgrade for any ordinary wooden post. Whether it's a railing, pergola, balcony, or even part of your home's exterior, these covers are designed to slide right on, instantly transforming a basic wooden post into a beautiful stone column. Each piece measures 119 by 20 centimeters and is made from specially formulated UV-resistant polyurethane, so it won't fade, crack, or warp over time. The best part? You don't need any special tools or messy prep work. While traditional masons are still mixing mortar, you could already be finished, feet up, drink in hand, enjoying your upgraded space. Plus, these covers don't just look great, they also help improve thermal insulation, which could even lower your energy bills. For those who want to take it a step further, there's an optional lighting system that adds both function and flair. Fast, elegant, and practical, Nextstone makes home upgrades easy. Lighthoof, ground stability designed with horses in mind. If you've ever owned horses or managed a stable, you know the struggle of dealing with muddy, uneven ground. That's where Lighthoof comes in, a smart and durable ground stabilization system built specifically to make life easier for both horses and their owners. Lighthoof consists of large 1.8 by 3.6 meter flexible panels, made from rugged plastic strips about 8 centimeters tall. These panels form a grid of fist-sized cells that are filled with gravel. Once in place, the system creates a solid, stable surface that's not only comfortable for horses but strong enough to support vehicles too. The best part? No need to perfectly level the ground. Just remove large rocks and you're good to go. Installation can easily be done solo with basic tools. The system was developed based on research from the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, so it's built to last. Of course, that kind of engineering doesn't come cheap. Each block costs around $199. But for those who need a mud-free, hoof-friendly surface that lasts for years, Lighthoof is worth every penny. Pecco bolted column connections, fast, safe, and built to last. Installing structural columns doesn't have to be slow or complicated, and Pecco proves it. Thanks to their bolted column connection system, customers can securely install a column in just 6 minutes. That's right, 6 minutes, start to finish. Once the nuts are tightened, the column stands on its own, no extra machinery, no temporary supports. This not only saves time but also reduces the need for equipment, making construction smoother and more cost-effective. Pecco offers a variety of connection solutions to suit different project types. One standout is the Bolda system, ideal for handling heavier loads in high-strength concrete. It's tough enough for large-scale commercial construction, like shopping centers or office buildings, but flexible enough for private builds too. A real-world example? The system is being used in the Turkish city of Aydın, where a major new mall is under construction. Fast, reliable, and future-ready, Pecco's bolted connections are transforming the way buildings come together. Fast Tube, a smarter, softer way to pour concrete columns. If you've ever worked with concrete columns, you know how bulky and awkward traditional cardboard formwork can be. That's why the Fast Tube soft formwork system is getting so much attention. Made in Canada, this clever product uses woven high-density polyethylene instead of cardboard, and the results speak for themselves. Fast Tube is water and moisture resistant, so it holds up much better on wet construction sites. It's also easy to cut, lightweight, and comes in compact rolls, making it super convenient to transport and handle. You can choose from 15-meter or 30-meter rolls, depending on the height and size of the columns you're building. Another big plus? Once the concrete is poured, you don't need to remove the formwork. It doesn't stick to the concrete, so you can leave it in place for as long as you want, saving time, effort, and cleanup. While many users love its affordability and performance, some do mention one downside: it's not available on Amazon, which can be a bit frustrating for online shoppers. Still, if you're in the construction game, Fast Tube offers a modern, efficient, and budget-friendly way to build concrete columns without the cardboard headache. Amdeck, smart, strong, and sustainable formwork for floors and roofs. Meet Amdeck, a modern formwork system that's changing the way builders approach floor and roof construction. Designed to be incredibly versatile, this system works with almost any type of wall structure and is fully compatible with standard concrete slabs, making it an excellent choice for both residential and commercial projects. Amdeck comes in 2 tailored versions. The Eco version is ideal for low-rise residential buildings and features 2.4-meter-long forms, allowing for faster installation and fewer joints. Then there's the Pro version, made for larger commercial buildings. It uses 61 centimeters modular forms, which are perfect for complex or regular layouts. But it's not just about speed and compatibility. Amdeck is also eco-friendly and cost-effective, helping reduce both construction waste and expenses. As an added bonus, it provides excellent sound insulation and strong resistance to natural disasters like earthquakes or extreme weather. With its combination of strength, sustainability, and ease of use, Amdeck is helping shape the future of smart construction, one floor and rooftop at a time. Steinfix, the smart way to lay tiles and pavers. Laying tiles, stones, or pavers can be a tricky, time-consuming job, especially if you want the finish to be neat and perfectly aligned. That's where Steinfix comes in. This simple yet clever system makes the entire process faster, cleaner, and way more efficient. At its core, Steinfix is made up of a support profile and a grid, along with wedges, nails, or anchors to help position everything just right. The grid sits snugly beneath the edges of the pavers or tiles, holding them in place and ensuring a tight, professional look with clean, even joints. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Steinfix is tough. It's designed to handle loads up to 3.5 tons, so it's not just for patios or garden paths. It can even be used in parking lots. Plus, it's great for creating smooth transitions between tiles and surrounding lawns or landscaping, giving your yard or driveway that polished look everyone will admire. You can also shape the layout to match any design you like, perfect for homeowners who want form and function in one easy system. Ombrin W, the rapid action leak sealer for concrete and stone. You've probably seen those viral videos where someone fixes a leak with super strong tape. Impressive, right? Well, what if we told you there's something even better, especially for concrete, brick, and natural stone? Meet Ombrin W, a powerful mortar that's designed to seal leaks fast and permanently. Here's how it works. As soon as Ombrin W comes into contact with water, it expands and hardens rapidly, making it perfect for emergency repairs or sealing up weak spots before they turn into bigger problems. Whether it's a crack in a wall, a hole in a foundation, or a leak in a stone structure, this product has you covered. It's non-corrosive, so it won't damage your building materials over time, and any leftover mortar can be easily removed to keep things clean and tidy. Packaged in a 15-kilogram bucket, it gives you plenty of material to handle multiple repairs or bigger projects with ease. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting way to stop leaks in their tracks, Ombrin W is your go-to solution. Mechanical concrete, turning old tires into super strong roads. Ever wonder what happens to all those old tires we throw away? Most of them just sit in massive piles, like the one in Kuwait that's home to a staggering 50 million used tires, the largest tire graveyard in the world. But here's the twist. Those tires might actually be a hidden treasure for the construction world. Introducing mechanical concrete, a game-changing technology that gives worn-out tires a second life. The idea is simple but brilliant. Take the sidewalls off a tire and fill it with crushed stone. This turns it into a powerful building block that can be used to construct roads, parking lots, and warehouse yards. What's so amazing? Roads built with mechanical concrete are way tougher and more durable. They're 3 times stronger, and maintenance costs drop by a whopping 75%. Potholes, ruts, and erosion? Practically gone. It's an eco-friendly and budget-friendly way to build infrastructure, all while cleaning up waste. Doka X-Bot Lift, a game-changer for construction workers. Construction sites are known for being tough and physically demanding, especially when it comes to lifting heavy formwork components for concrete slabs. But what if a robot could handle that job instead? That's exactly what the Doka X-Bot Lift was built to do, and it's changing the game in the construction world. Developed by the innovative team at Doka, this robotic assistant is designed to lift and position slab formwork pieces up to 5.7 meters high. No more back-breaking labor or risky climbing. This smart machine does the heavy lifting. Workers can easily control the Doka X-Bot using a tablet, which not only speeds up the work but also keeps everyone safe. To make sure it's only used by authorized personnel, access is protected by an RFID card system. This means more safety, less physical strain, and faster project completion. It's a win for productivity, health, and innovation, truly a revolution in how we build things. Camo EdgeX Metal Deck Clips, hidden strength for a sleek deck finish. If you're planning a deck and want that clean, fastener-free look, Camo has just the solution. Known across the US for its innovative tools and fastening systems, Camo EdgeX Metal Deck Clips are a game-changer for anyone working with metal framing. These clips are specially designed for grooved wood, composite, and PVC deck boards mounted on metal joists, and they're not just functional, they're tough. In fact, they're proven to be 88% stronger than comparable options on the market. That means better hold, longer life, and fewer issues down the road. There's also a version for wood joists, including wood treated with preservatives or sealants, called Camo EdgeX Metal. Both types are made with UV-protected plastic, and the Protect-coated screws resist corrosion, so they'll stand up to sun, rain, and time. And the price? A pack of 900 clips will only set you back around $49, a solid investment for a long-lasting, professional quality deck. KKDM2 cable manhole, lightweight, durable, and built to handle the elements. We often think about sewer systems running beneath our feet, but there's another invisible network that's just as important: underground cable infrastructure. These systems keep our utilities, internet, and communications running smoothly. And one of the unsung heroes in this network is the cable access chamber, which makes it easy to organize and maintain all those buried wires. One standout option is the KKDM2 cable manhole, a modern solution built for convenience and durability. Unlike traditional heavy concrete covers, this model is made from high-strength polymer and weighs just 9 kilograms. That means installers can move and place it much more easily, saving time and effort on the job. Despite being lightweight, it's incredibly tough. It's molded as a single solid piece, which adds to its strength and longevity. Plus, it's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, from freezing -50 degrees Celsius all the way up to scorching +60 degrees Celsius. With 8 mounting zones, it's also highly adaptable for different types of cable layouts. In short, the KKDM2 makes underground cable work smarter, faster, and safer. Sound insulation. Block out the noise, keep the peace. Tired of hearing your neighbors arguing, their TV blaring, or kids running upstairs? Whether it's your home, office, hotel, or even a bar or game room, sound insulation can make a world of difference. And one of the most effective solutions out there is mineral wool blocks. These blocks are made by melting natural minerals in a furnace and spinning the material into soft, dense fibers, kind of like cotton candy, but much tougher. When installed properly, they can reduce noise by up to 57 decibels, which is enough to turn loud disturbances into quiet background hums. Mineral wool is not just about performance, it's also practical. The blocks are lightweight, easy to transport, and safe to handle. They're non-toxic, don't rot, and best of all, rodents have no interest in them, so no surprise guests inside your walls. Whether you're upgrading your living space or soundproofing a business, this is a smart and effective way to create a quieter, more peaceful environment. Bolix BQs, flexible brick slips that look like the real thing. With the rising cost and shortage of traditional bricks in many countries, like Germany, where bricks are hard to come by, or France, where straw homes are gaining popularity, builders and homeowners are looking for smarter, more efficient alternatives. That's where Bolix BQs comes in, offering a clever and eye-catching solution. These are flexible brick slips, thin, lightweight sheets that mimic the appearance of real bricks so well, you'd hardly notice the difference. They're built to last, able to withstand harsh weather conditions like snow, rain, and even hail, and are also scratch-resistant, vapor-proof, and very easy to clean. That means less maintenance and more durability over time. Each slip measures 24 by 7 centimeters, with a thickness of just 3 to 5 millimeters, making them super easy to install on different surfaces. You can pick from 10 standard colors, or even order a custom finish. Smooth, rough, or textured, whatever matches your style. Whether you're renovating or building from scratch, Bolix BQs gives you the charm of real brick without the cost or hassle. Duracell Bucobrin, peace and quiet right at your doorstep. We all know that silence is golden, especially at home. But if your house is located near a busy road, achieving peace and quiet can feel nearly impossible. With traffic noise often reaching 70 to 80 decibels, it's not just annoying, it can actually affect your well-being. That's where the Duracell Bucobrin system steps in to make a real difference. This clever noise barrier is designed to cut noise levels by up to 30 decibels, making your outdoor and indoor spaces much more comfortable. The secret lies in its material, Duracell, a durable mix made from 80 to 90% wood chips, Portland cement, and mineral additives. Not only is it eco-friendly, but it's also tough enough to handle heat, cold, fire, and even stone impacts. Installation is quick and easy, like building with Lego blocks. The pieces are stacked along guide rails, and just like that, you've got a sturdy, effective sound barrier. Whether you're trying to enjoy your backyard or get a good night's sleep, Duracell Bucobrin helps bring back the quiet, without the construction headache. System Air K, smart ventilation for serious projects. When it comes to large-scale buildings like hotels, office towers, schools, shopping centers, or factories, ventilation isn't just important, it's essential. That's where the System Air K series duct fans come in. These heavy-duty fans are designed to keep air flowing efficiently in big spaces, making them perfect for both commercial and industrial use.